So I'm from the party of Eldridge Cleaver. Not a terrorist, not a supremacist, not a chauvinist neither. And before all our parties were black, we venerated the beaver. You see, in those days, he went by the name Kobe. And in he, we saw that which we were. Like Kobe, we built families for our homes, born in the ground, kept them surrounded by moats to protect them. Today, we call those mounds. We were then, as we remain, far more profound than we are proclaimed. Defamed to the point it's insane. Remember that though Kobe was melanated, we never dare call him black. Indigenous and dark, like the Fundy Bay was your boy. Richly copper colored like the jewelry we employ. This knowledge that I'm spitting is not a game, nor a toy. So remember each fact. It was once an insult to erase the name Elnu in order to reduce it to just black. You see, an Elnu is the history of God carried through generations of construction and care. We birthed the mother of all cultures. Ours is universally everywhere. From Ibernia to Iberia, Ionia, Phoenicia to Igbo, not a place on this planet didn't our culture go. No, I'm not crazy. And yes, I am talking about down home. All you've got to do is chase them facts. They'll take you all around the world before they bring you right back to Mi'kma'ki, Tamariri, the maritime coast of the Canucks. It's a shame that you don't know this. It really fucking sucks. Because the world lost so much when Cornwallis invaded in 1749. Most of all, the opportunity for the archaeologists to find a truth better than out of Africa. Better by far. Because we seeded Kemet Canoe long before Kemet was on par. It is to us that the Africans owe such a claim. Ask the geneticists about X2A if you think I'm insane. Abandon the myth manufactured by the enemies. Those who poison the waters, steal our lands, and clear-cut Nkumi's trees. Though we were giants, their stories cut us down at our knees. Their words impregnate the mind with potent sterility. Their methods infuse our water, food, and blood with pungent, pollutant fallacies. Still, the oldest story of all men written in the stars points to Ursa Major, Miwin, no matter where you are. So no matter where you are or when, know that it is true. Some 13,000 years ago, 7 women were chosen by divinity, and that choice remains.